Hi guys, so we are here at Drayton Manor today. So it's the first time I've been to this park in a few years. Since last time I came, Apocalypse was on its last few days of operation. So good to be back at the park. Just on Maelstrom, so it's just as good as always. I had a very low queue, so gave it a go. Checking out the new for last year's edition in Goldrush and checking out the new restraints on the Wave. But yeah, we're just in Maelstrom. I don't know where we're going to go next, so we'll keep you posted. But yeah, we'll catch you after the next ride. Hi guys, so we have just done the brand new edition for last year, Goldrush. It's quite good. It fills a nice gap in the lineup here. It's a shame we don't have Apocalypse anymore, but I think that's a worthwhile investment. It's nice. It does what it needs to do. We're still hanging around this area of the park, probably going to go for lunch, and we'll catch up with you after. Okay guys, so you join us after a ride on Sheriff Showdown and lunch. Lunch was okay, went ate to the Burger Kitchen. Was a bit expensive, but not too bad overall. Like food's definitely okay, but it's quite expensive. Currently by Dodgems and Jolly booking here, so we're going to see what the next ride is and we'll catch you after then. Okay guys, so we've just finished a ride on the Wave, as you can see behind me, with this new train. Quite good, really comfortable, those trains. It does take a little bit away from it, but the fact it's not stand-up anymore. But it was good, I enjoyed it. I still think it might be the best thing here. I need to do Goldrush's other cycle later, so yeah, we're going to do the zoo next, after Alex and Jenny, some friends guys, do the air race, but we'll catch up after that. Hi, so you join us back after, I'm going to show you that. You join us back after walk around the zoo. We rode Thomas to get into the zoo and walked back out. Really nice. It's, could do with some investment in it, 100%, but like some updates and stuff, but nice enough. It's a nice change of pace, it's nice and relaxed. It is quite busy today, but you know, it is a chilled day. You know, managed to get on the stuff we wanted to, which is wave. Gonna try and get on Accelerator, I think. Have a look at Vikings. We've got Haunting and Goldrush to do again. So we will catch up with you in a little bit after we can check off some more rides. Okay, so that is all we have time for at Drayton. It's been a nice day, had a good time, made some good memories with good friends. Just making our way out of the park now. So we went on Accelerator, which was good fun, and finished the day on Goldrush on its second cycle. Defo the better cycle. I like it much more on the second cycle, but I can see why they do the first one in the morning to make it more family friendly. So really nice. Had a really nice day. I think this park is going to come on leaps and bounds in the next few years, and I recommend coming to visit. So yeah, it's one to watch out for. It's the first video of 2025, so if you do want to see more videos, they'll be up there, and if you want to hit subscribe, which does help me out, that's down there. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Taco Bell is fucking shit.